Hi friends, today we are once again there, and today I'm going to talk about one more question that we normally come across. And the question is, should we learn foreign language being an Indian? And which foreign language is good, which is having some scope? Now, coming to the point, should we learn foreign language? Frankly speaking, to be bilingual or multilingual is always an asset because that helps you out when you're learning more than two languages. That helps you out to improve your reasoning powers, analyzing powers. It helps you in learning different vocabulary to know about other culture, because when you are learning a language you are not only confined to the language but also about the culture, and it is always an added asset to your CVs. So it is always advisable that we must learn one more than one language, maybe our native language. I'm not taking English and Hindi because those are the official languages that we always learn, and even our mother tongue. Some of us may be belonging to a particular state, so Hindi, English, and our mother tongue are always here. But apart from that, any one foreign language that can be taken. When we learn something, it is never going to deceive us. Now, the question comes, at what stage or at what age should we start learning? There are schools which have already introduced foreign languages as their curriculum, and that's a very nice step. But if we look into the students' pattern, what they learn is more confined to academy, grammar, syntax. And when we come out as a grads or post grads, we require more onto the communication. As such, there is no age that we can say that this is the best age to learn, and learning has no age. That's also true. But if, as a college grads, if you're able to ace up one more language, that's very nice. Being now living in a global world, we have multinational companies coming to our country, and also people from here going abroad. In the recent time, deducting the pandemic time, there have been number of people who have traveled abroad, and it makes sure that we learn the language of that country, at least to have a fair communication. And otherwise also, when you are learning, you get ample opportunities. Right now, the most widely spoken foreign languages that is accepted in our country, or most of the time people go, are French, Spanish, Chinese, and of course Germany. German and Japanese are also popular because Germany and Japan's economy is highly developed, and they offer lots of career possibilities in India as well as abroad. In fact, many of it is also said that due to the opening of foreign direct investments, many of the Japanese concerns are also opening up opportunities in our country. French It's actually part of many school curriculum, as I said. In fact, in Delhi itself, the number of students studying French is staggering. And many MNCs, they use French language as their working language also. And we are also, right now, we are also having people from countries like US, Canada, specifically in Canada, the French based provinces. So that those people, specifically in the MNCs, IT sectors, if they are supposed to travel or they have to go there, that French helps them. And moreover, it is spoken in 5 different continents, and that's the second most globally studied language. The second language is German or Deutsch, but it is not widely spoken as French, Spanish, Arabic, or Chinese. It's basically in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and those European countries. But yes, Germany is a powerhouse. It is right now the economic powerhouse, and if you are going for jobs, German as a language is very essential. Volkswagen, Base, BMW, Bosch, Siemens, they are all Germany based companies and they prefer people speaking German. And it's also the top choice for science, engineering, and automobile because Germany is an automobile hub. So that is, we can say that in Pune, Mumbai, we have German lessons also, like French is in Delhi. And Germany universities are right now opening up their curriculums for international students, and that helps you out. If you have learned Germany, that would help you out for your higher studies. Spanish, around 20 countries are there which are Spanish speaking, and it's also one of the widely spoken language globally. And after French and German, it's the third most popular language. If you learn Spanish, it helps you out in the industries like travel and tourism, journalism, foreign services, and even in the international business. One can find opportunities in translation, embassies, teaching, then BPOs, and for the past few years, India has developed its relationship with the Hispanic countries, and that is why Spanish would definitely help the students in the coming era. Movies, music, Spanish, they are all very popular. And in US, Spanish is the second most spoken language. So it would always add an advantage to you. The fourth language that I'm going to speak today is Japanese. And as I had told you earlier, that India is having a growing relation with Japan, and many eminent companies are going to set up their business in our country. So, Japanese is going to be a popular choice, and it is also one of the most popular choice for the East Asian languages in India. And if you are looking for highly paid industry, Japanese is one of the language that gets you paid. And it is also helping in the MNCs. I have students who have learned Japanese and right now posted in companies which are dealing with the Japanese firms, and that has helped them out in their career. There are many institutes which are providing you these language courses, of course. some of the people are there who give you private classes also, and they help you out to ace in this language, get a diploma, because when you are going to that particular country, you need to pass out that particular exam. So they help you out. And of course, there are institutes which are giving you different levels of, there are different levels actually. You have to start from the scratch, then you have to go to the next level, and that depends on how you learn it. So if you have any query related to languages, you can contact me on my WhatsApp 9910522680. Anytime message me on any DM. I'm available on Facebook Messenger, Insta, and on my page Mentorlaza. So bye for now. Meet you with a new video next time. Bye.